Hi friends, welcome to Pink and Blue ICU channel. Today we are going to learn the names of the fruits that we have right here in the table. Fruits are very good for our brain and body. We need to eat them every day so we can get all the vitamins that they have. Okay, let's get started. Our first fruit is a yellow banana. I love bananas, but do you know who else loves bananas the most? Yeah, you are right, monkeys. Monkeys love bananas. They eat them every day. Bananas are very good because they give us a lot of energy. Let's cut our banana. Our next fruit is this. These are grapes, purple grapes. Grapes are very tasty. We have them in different colors. We have red grapes, black grapes, yellow grapes. Okay, our next fruit is gonna be this small yellow lemon. Lemon is a great fruit. It's sour, yes, I know. Did you know that if we drink lemon juice when we are sick, it helps us feel much better? Our next fruit is orange. Orange is in the color orange. It sounds so silly. Orange, orange. Orange has a lot of vitamin C and it's very good for our bones and teeth. Apple, red apple. Have you heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctors away? That's because apples are so good for our heart and keep us hydrated. This is my favorite fruit of all the times. It's a watermelon. This is so good. It's a very yummy, delicious fruit. It's made up over 90% of water. That's why it's so juicy. Some watermelons don't have seeds, some have seeds. Seeds are good, but some people don't really like to eat them. Our watermelon today has a lot of seeds. I don't mind them, they're very good. I just love watermelon. So, watermelon, it's so good. Okay, our next fruit is this one. This is kiwi. Kiwi is another great fruit. It has a lot of vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin E. Kiwi is brown in the outside, but when we open it, look at that! It's green! It's green and it has these black seeds. Our next fruit is this one. I'm sure a lot of you love this. It's strawberry. Yes, strawberry, red strawberry. They're so yummy. They have a lot of vitamin C. We can eat it like this. We can put it in smoothies, oatmeal. Red strawberry. This fruit is a funny looking fruit. It's called dragon fruit. It's pink in the outside, and when we open it, look, it's white with black seeds. Dragon fruit has a lot of vitamin C. It makes us feel full and refreshed. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical plant. Loves the hot weather, cannot stand the cold weather. It smells amazing that you can eat it like a candy. It's just so good. We can eat pineapple by itself. It's very tasty. We can put it on pizzas. We can put it on salads, smoothies. Like we can make a lot of good dishes out of pineapple. So friends, here we have it. We had these yummy, delicious fruits here with us. We learned the names and some benefits that they have. But remember, we need to eat fruits every day so we can take all the vitamins and stay healthy and strong. Thank you for joining me today and being my friend. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Grown-ups, support our channel by subscribing here on YouTube. This is the way to let us know that you enjoy watching our videos. Please like and share so others can join here too. Thank you!